Hey everybody, Hiking Stick again. Welcome back to the second recap from the first video. And in this video we're just going to go over how to record a quick macro to apply some quick formatting to this report, which is starting its life as a comma delimited file. We're just going to apply some formatting so that it looks much nicer. We'll do a text to columns on it, we'll add some column headers, do a little formatting as well. So the very first thing that you want to do in order to record a macro is go ahead and click on the View tab. And then on the lower half of the macro button, you can click on Record Macro, and we'll give it a meaningful name. Call it Format Report. Not going to give it a shortcut key. I did cover that in the first video though if you need more information on that. Once you've given it a name, go ahead and click on OK. And the macro at this point is recording. So we're going to go ahead and perform a text to columns operation on column A. Go ahead and highlight everything, click on the data column, click text to columns, go ahead and click on delimited, make sure comma is checked so that it breaks it out into 3 columns. You can see it there. Then click finish. As you can see, we now have data in column A, B, and C. The next thing we're going to do is add column headers by right clicking on row 1, choosing insert to scoot everything down a row. Column A we've got our date, column B we have our jelly type, and in column C we have our quantity, which I managed to spell correctly. The next thing we're going to do is apply some formatting to our column headers. We're going to bold them and then give them a nice gray background. And then the very last thing we're going to do is apply borders to the entire report. So go ahead and do that. And that's not actually the last thing we're going to do. We are going to go ahead and auto fit our columns as well. And our macro is done recording at this point, so we're going to go ahead and stop the recorder by clicking on the View tab. Click on the lower half of that macros button again, and then stop recording. At that point, you are completely finished, so we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.